Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Bree back at it again with another video. So, you already know what's up. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and dye our hair, and we use the L'Oreal Paris Feria, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna be doing Intense Deep Auburn, which is R48. And I haven't done this color. I do the color that's below it, but I was like, let me be bold and do an auburn color. So as you can see, like, my roots are already growing, and I tried recording a hair video the last time I dyed my hair, but it was supposed to be brown, but it's still clearly like a little red. So I'm kind of just over it, and I'm just gonna stick with red, but red is kind of hard to take care of. But I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into the video, and this might jump into a voiceover because it's self-explanatory. If you dye your hair, like, it comes with directions and everything. So, sorry, I'm like trying to open this, but I can't. But, yeah, it's super self-explanatory. But I'll just go over it real quick with y'all. So, it comes with all this stuff. Love that for me. Oh, and by the way, I just got out of work. My hair's messy. And, like, it's best to dye your hair when it's dirty. So, like, this is 1 day old hair. And, yeah. The curls are messed up. But anyways, so this is going to be the color booster, which is basically just going to boost the color, you know. The directions, and there's gloves that come in the directions so you don't get your hands dirty. And this is going to be the shimmer conditioner gel, which will go into this, which is 2. And then this is what you use when you go in the shower. So one of these is a shampoo and one is a conditioner. And it's super important to use these because, like, if you were to go get your hair done at a beauty salon, they have a special shampoo and conditioner. So that's basically what this is too. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything for y'all. And it's self-explanatory. 1 goes into 2. And then I put this, the shimmer serum in here also, along with the color booster. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. And yeah, probably going to jump over to voiceover mode. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you'd like to see me color my hair and probably get all dirty, then please continue watching. So before we start coloring our hair, I just got my tragus pierced, tragus, however you want to say it, and I'm just going to clean it real quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and start mixing everything together. By the way, isn't it so freaking cute? Oh, that kind of hurt right there when I was cleaning it, but I love it. I kind of want to get my other one on my right ear, but I don't know. Comment down below if I should. Thanks. So I'm just grabbing number 1, and I'm going to go ahead and pour that into bottle number 2. And then shortly after, I'm going to put the serum in, and then also the color booster. It's important that you get all the contents out of bottle number 1, so that way, because that's going to help you with the dye and stuff. And I look like a mess, and I was trying to adjust it on you, almost fell. And yeah. I already got dirty as usual. I highly recommend putting something around your neck or around your shirt, or basically just wearing an old shirt that you don't care about, because especially if you're dyeing your hair red, you're gonna get dirty. Like, it's bound to happen. So that's basically what I'm doing right here. I'm just putting a little towel around me, and then I'm just gonna continue mixing the bottles, and once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and start shaking it, but I'm not gonna be doing that on camera because it's kind of pointless, and you already know. And I had to whip out my little professional brushes. I had to be somewhat professional in this video. But yeah. So right now I'm just making sure I get the roots area because that's the first thing that starts growing and that's the most obvious, especially when you're dyeing your hair red because then your natural hair color comes. So I'm just getting the ends and the roots right now, and then I'll go ahead and work my way back up to the body of my hair. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. Right now I'm pretty much done, so I have a lot left in the bottle, so I'm basically just gonna put it everywhere I think it needs to go or that I feel like I missed. And then in a little bit you'll see me put my hair in a bun, and then I'll just put it in the middle just because I don't know, I feel like if my hair is in a bun it'll get everything. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'm just rubbing everything together, making sure I get all the loose ends together. Hey guys, so currently I just put a trash bag on my head to hold everything together, and we got a little messy, just a little, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off my face and stuff because that's gonna sting me, and then I'll check back in with y'all 25 minutes, but it's red so I leave it for extra 5, so I'm gonna do 30 minutes and then we'll wash it out and stuff. And yeah, but look at the mess I made. Love that. Love that for me. But yeah, I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I was just getting my dinner ready because after I shower I'm gonna cook it, whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. So my timer probably went off 15 minutes ago, so it's way overdue. But I'm just hoping that the color stays, or the color's gonna stay longer because I left it in longer. But I'm gonna go ahead and shower and then wash it out, style it, and then I'll come back and check in with you. Do y'all see this? I literally wiped off my makeup. Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, what's up? So it's the next day because, if I'm being honest, I'm not even gonna BS it, I got lazy. I didn't want to style it, so I had just let it air dry and I just straightened it. And it's hella dark. It's not even really red. Right there, it's kind of pulling red. But I have to go outside to see what it really looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and go outside real quick, and then we're gonna see what it's pulling. But I actually like it. I think I used this hair color once, I want to say. I'm not too sure, but we'll go outside, see how it looks in the sun, and then that'll be the end of my little video. Okay, so now I'm outside. My grandpa's right there, but this is what it's looking like. I like it. It's getting a little humid out here, but yeah guys, so this is basically how it looks in the sun. It's gonna look in natural lighting. But yeah, so I really do hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.